Imagine finalizing your divorce only to face disputes later due to vague agreements. This is a common issue many face when divorce documents lack clarity. Let's explore why enforceable agreements are crucial for a smooth post-divorce life. Vague terms like fair division can lead to endless disputes. Clear, specific language in legal documents prevents misunderstandings and ensures both parties know their responsibilities. Let's delve into real-life examples of poorly drafted agreements causing chaos. Avoid terms like fair division, specify asset distribution clearly. Define payment terms for spousal and child support, including amounts and due dates. This precision prevents future conflicts and ensures financial stability. Responsibilities for debts, including credit cards and mortgages, must be outlined. A case study. A client faced issues due to unclear terms about mortgage responsibilities. We helped amend their agreement, ensuring clarity and peace of mind. Filing a marital settlement agreement, MSA, is essential for legal binding. Ensure all forms, like the final judgment and support orders, are judge-approved. Without this, your agreement might not be enforceable, leading to potential legal battles. Including agreements in the final judgment is crucial. Child and spousal support must follow guidelines to be enforceable. For asset division, legal documents like a quitclaim deed ensure proper property transfers. Divorce 661 drafts enforceable agreements to prevent disputes. Our flat fee pricing and remote services make the process affordable and convenient. We ensure your documents are clear, court-approved, and enforceable. Visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. By ensuring your divorce documents are enforceable, you'll avoid future disputes and enjoy peace of mind. Let's make your post-divorce life as smooth as possible.